Hey buds, I'm getting ready to get a truck camper installed, so I'm doing the old bed rail sealing, and this one side's done here. I basically did the same thing as I'm doing over there, and so what I did is got this chromey tape, covered the holes there. Covered all the holes along there. There's just some threaded holes under those little squares, and then I just ran a bead of window seal, 1/16 to 3/16 inch there to cushion the bed sides and seal it a little better. And then I ran a bead of caulk along this edge up there, and after watching other videos I decided I was going to try putting the caulk in here first, so I just kind of went right along here on the outside of these clips, and tried not to put too much. And when I pushed it down, there was only one little spot where you could see some caulk, and I used clear, so it doesn't bother me anything right there. I had luggage or roof racks on here before, and so my bed's a little bowed there, but once the camper shell goes on, it'll hold that flat. But that might be a place that my caulk doesn't stick. Anyway, so there's what I got. Went to Ace Hardware. 50-yard roll of that metal repair tape, 20 feet of weather stripping, and a tube of silicone caulk. That's it.